Today is August 30th, 2016. Back with the Stocks Trade recap. A couple very solid setups today, and then I've also got some announcements and a little bit of news for you. So SPU was the missed trade of the day. I was very busy today, and now I'll go over why I was so busy here in a minute. But so what happens in these times when I'm looking to short sell stocks, but I can't be laser focused. What I'm looking for is SPU was a huge runner yesterday, huge runner a month ago. I'm willing to get short, but only at my price. Now, ironically, it bit me today, but that happens. Sometimes you miss. So mid or pre-market, I saw it kind of banging around the mid-10s, and I thought, well, odds are it squeezes out through 11 and then fades all day. So I set up an order at, basically probably about, I'd call it a 1/3 size order at 11. I really thought that the potential for this thing to rip through 11 was there. It'd go against me a little bit, but then it would fade all day. Unfortunately, you see the high of the day was 1090, so I didn't get filled. Now, the nice thing is, I was right on the idea. I had a feeling that this was nothing but a squeeze. I knew that anybody that was, hoping, that got short yesterday and was hoping to get saved was getting panicky pre-market, spiky pre-market. There's going to be some guys with their finger on the trigger if this thing doesn't fade. So I got that nice spike, right out of the gate. I mean, it spiked up to basically above the pre-market highs, but then faded all day. So it happens. What do? RIGL was a great setup today. I, again, was very busy, did not trade this. I mean, this is very similar. Now, the float isn't as low as I like to see recently, but a very similar setup. You get that spike, and then you get a hold, and then a grind up, and then just all day up. A lot of volume today, but, 55 million shares on a stock with, 70 million float. Normally, I prefer to see more of a float rotation. That's probably why I didn't focus on it that much. And, if you're not familiar with float rotation, that's, it's a kind of an advanced term, but that just means the idea that the stock is trading more than its float each day. So a couple solid setups along with Weight Watchers. It's kind of funny to see these stocks. If you research the news and StocksTrade, you'll see that, it spiked because Oprah said her boyfriend can now carry her to the pool. She's lost enough weight, and so the stock, it's kind of pointless, but a little bit amusing. You get this huge rip, from 1060 to almost that $1 rip on the fact that Oprah's boyfriend can carry her to the pool. But that's the beauty of penny stocks. That's why we trade them. So why was I so busy today? We are very, very close to rolling out 3 or more of our biggest features, and we got an upcoming event. So what I focused on a lot today is the new screener. We have completely redesigned the screener from bottom up. Completely different visual, modular, logic-based setup. I mean, I used it all day today. I mean, it's very exciting. A lot of very cool stuff that we're doing with this now that's going to make it so much more powerful, so much more ability to customize and build your own strategy, as well as we've now got the ability to export and share screeners. So the community can build up around that. I can share you screens. You can share them with me. But the best thing I like about it is the logic-based. We've got this kind of flow chart model now, and it's really going to help you, I think, ramp up quicker knowledge waste because it's so much a logical way to think. We've also made great headway on Oracle, stock prediction algorithm, paper trading, and broker integration are very, very close. So all these awesome things are coming. Now keep in mind, once these features hit, we're going to have a price increase. So if you're considering stocks to trade, check it out now. Go to orders.stockstotrade.com. You get the $1 trial. But now is a good time to buy if you want to lock in pricing before these features come out. Other thing to keep in mind, I just got told Tim Sykes Conference, traderandinvestorsummit.com. It's traderandinvestorsummit.com. I think they got a bigger room. There's like 20 seats. with Stocks to Trade, our entire team will be there. I'll be doing a presentation. We'll have some of the tech guys there. We're going to have some offers there. So if we're kind of on the fence about going to that event and you're interested in Stocks to Trade, it's kind of a great way to kind of grab some of those last minute seats. So thanks a lot, guys. I'm sorry I rambled on a little bit too much today, but I hope you can tell how excited I am by all this new stuff. I mean, it's pretty easy to get motor mouth when you see when you see what I'm seeing behind the scenes with all the features we got coming. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you tomorrow.